is to get everyone's attention so everyone can listen. We raise our hands. So if you see the teachers raising their hands, you need to raise your hands as well. And that means, you know how in the classroom it says you're ready to learn? This means you're ready to listen. So you put your hands down. And the most important thing is when we're having, this is what we call an assembly, like we had last year. You listen, you look, and you don't talk. Okay? So let's also go over, I know some of your teachers have already practiced this with you, about when you're going down the hall. On Monday, how many fingers do you have? One. So everybody demonstrate for me. One. For Tuesday? Two. For Wednesday? Three. For Thursday? Four. And for Friday? Five. Great job. So as you're walking down the hall today, how many fingers do we have up? Five. All right, so today we are going to kick off our PBIS assembly. And we're going to tell you about the new things about PBIS. Remember PBIS, does anybody remember what it means? Anybody remember? All right, let me tell you. PBIS is our positive behavior system. Our positive behavior system. All right. I see some of you are not working toward earning clipping up. Okay. So PBIS is our positive reward system. And we have a lot of new exciting things this year. We want to remember our 3 R's of success. What are our 3 R's of success? It doesn't matter where we are. We are respectful, responsible, and a role model. We don't have our signs up, but we know that you know. Be respectful, be responsible, and be a role model. All right. So, I'm going to turn it over to Ms. Carnes, and she's going to talk about the Flipchart. This should not be new to you because your teacher should have already told you about it. So, she's going to tell you a little bit more about it.
Good morning, everybody. Now you can see our knight is holding up our chart, and that's what we need. When you hear about knights, the knights are the ones that ride in and they keep everybody safe and protected. And that's why he's holding it here to show you that this is your role model. This is super perfect, and this is where Miss Carnes will never be. It's okay. We're not asking you to be perfect. We're just asking you to try to be the best you can be. So everybody's going to start right here on green. Did everybody take home green or something up above it yesterday? Yes? Good. What the thing is, sometimes it's hard to stay right here or to go up. Sometimes maybe you didn't get what you wanted for breakfast and you came in and your day's not starting off quite right and you didn't do exactly what Ms. Harrison asked you to do when you first walked in the door. Ms. Harrison gave you a few choices and you still couldn't get past it, so she's going to have to move you down. Does that mean your day is over? No. Then Ms. Harrison, you know that she's been so nice to you and she just keeps smiling and she's not treating you like, oh, I remember when you acted that way this morning. She's not doing that anymore. And she's still working with you and she's going to say, you know what, you're doing such a great job, you've turned it around, let's move back up. So even if you fall sometimes because you didn't get it perfect that one time or you had a bad moment, don't give up. Don't stop. Turn it around and go right back up. Don't go down and stay down. That's not fun. Work your way back up. Because what you want to do is you want to stay every day on green, blue, purple, or pink. You want to stay green or higher. Now in the past your mom might say, oh, you had to be blue or better. Or I expect you to make purple. We're here to tell you, and we're going to tell your mommies on Monday, green is okay. What? Green is okay. Great. If you stay on green all day, is that okay? Yes. Yes. And if you stay on green all day or anything above green, you're going to get these fun things that happen every month. We've got things like game building day where you're going to play game activities and you get to dress in your favorite team sport shirt. If you're a Jets fan, you can wear that day. We've got an art fair. We've got a dress for success for career day. We've got bring your technology to school day. A glow dance. There's some things coming up. But to get those, it tells you on our chart, you're going to see these around their school coming up, that for August, to earn this, to be able to go and be a part of it, it's going to tell you, you have to have 17 days that month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17 of them have to be here or up. If you have one down here, but all the rest are here, can you still go?
Yes.
Yes. If you have 4 down here and the rest are up. No. What we've done is we've looked, and there's about 19 days in each month that you can earn green or more. So we gave you 2 days to maybe make a mistake where you can't turn it around, but everybody can turn it around, can't they?
Yes.
I think so. You guys are going to do great with this. Just remember, just because you might go down for a second doesn't mean you can't
Bring it back up.
bring it back up. Okay, everybody give me a frown. Okay, bring it back up. It's as easy as that. Can you do it? All right.
And just like Miss Carr says, when you fall down, what do?
Get back up.
You get back up. So if you fall down on the chart, what do? Get back up. That's what you do. All right, so now we're going to, as your teachers have been doing, show you a little examples of things to do and not do. And I'm sure your teachers have already talked about this, and I'm sure they've modeled it as well. So we're going to turn it over to Mr. Kilgore.
All right, boys and girls, we're getting ready to have some fun. And you're going to get a chance to tell them if they did it right or did they do it wrong. Okay? Miss Wiley, she's going to be the school teacher. Hold your hand up to her. That's the school teacher. Now, she's going to walk her class down the hallway. We're going to see can they do it right. And then at the end, you'll get a chance to judge and say if they did it right or did they do it wrong. All right? Everybody paying attention? Yeah. All right. Here we go. We're walking down the hallway.
All right, girls, we're going to walk down the hallway on the rainbow line. Walking feet. Let's go.
All right. Did they do it right? Okay. Somebody raise your hand. Tell me what did they do wrong. Raise your hand. Okay, what did they do wrong?
They were screaming.
They were screaming. Anybody? What else did they do wrong?
They were walking backwards.
Walking backwards. So you know you can't scream on the hallways. You can't walk backward down the hallway. What level of talking should we be on the hallway? 0. All right. Now let's give them another chance. Let's see can they get it right this time.
All right, girls, we're going to walk down the hallway on the rainbow line with our hands to ourselves.
Oh, did they do it right? Come on. They did it right. All right. Now, we're headed to the playground. Now, you can't get up and go to the playground right now, but we're going to imagine like we're on the playground. Okay, guys? All right. That's why she's getting ready to take them to the playground. Let's see if they do what's right on the playground.
All right, girls, it's recess!
All right. Did they do it right? They messed up. They messed up. How did they mess up? Oh, so you can't put your hands on someone, can you? You gotta keep your hands and your feet to what? To yourself. That's right. All right, they're gonna go go back out on the playground, they're going to try it again and see can they have fun doing it this time and do it right.
All right, girls, it's recess time. Yes! You're it. Yeah, very good job.
All right. Give them a hand. They did it right this time. All right. Uh-oh. This is an area that we have to be very careful with. They're going to get ready to go to the bathroom. Now we're going to see what's going to happen when they go to the bathroom. A lot of things happen in the bathroom. There's a lot of proper monitoring. You feel like no one is watching you. But you got to watch yourselves, okay? All right. Okay. They're in the bathroom. Let's see what happens.
Hey, who's over there? Hey, you like my new school shoes? Hey, are you in there? I like your shoes. Oh, I'm going to write my name. Yeah, I just want to have my pocket. Oh, it's so pretty. Put the toilet paper up.
All right. Did they go to the bathroom right? Oh, no. So what did they do wrong? They were throwing paper? Somebody else raise your hand. What else did they do? Toilet paper on the floor. What else they did wrong, man? They were putting their feet under. They were touching feet and everything. You gotta go to the restroom. You can't be in there doing everything else. All right, let's give them another chance. Let's see if they can do it right. All right, it's better. Hey, can somebody tell me something important they did? Raise your hand. What did they do right? What did they do right? What? They flushed the toilet and they washed their hands. Good job. All right, last one, last one. Now we're heading to the cafeteria. Riley's got to go into the cafeteria. We got to see if they're going to do it right now. You guys pay attention. Here we go.
All right, lunchtime, one at a time, and make sure you carry your trays with 2 hands.
All right. Did they do it right? Ooh. Okay, what did they do wrong? She took somebody else's food. What did they do wrong? They were pushing and shoving. I'm going to be first in line. All right, we'll give them one more chance. Here we go. They're going to try to do it right this time.
All right, girls, it's lunchtime. Go get your tray. Make sure you carry it with 2 hands. Don't hit her. Yeah, they did it right.
Come on, give it up. They did a great job. Great job. All right, we're going to turn it back over to Ms. Clark.
All right, well, it is good to know that y'all know what to do and how to do it. So let's give all of our teachers a big round of applause. All right, so I'm going to ask you a couple of questions before we end. We're almost done. I want you to raise your hand if your teacher chart with you. All right. Okay, you can put your hands down. I want you to you can put your hands down. I want you to raise your hand if your teacher has already been modeling and telling you the great behavior you need to have. Awesome, awesome. So if your teacher has not mentioned this chart, when you get back to class, what do you need to ask her? You need to ask her about that chart. All right. Well, you know what? Second grade, you have been absolutely awesome. So yes. Oh, good. We've got some friends. We've got some friends.
I found some friends.
Miss Carnes found some friends.
I was looking around and I found some friends. Have you guys already been to the bathroom? They've been to the bathroom. A couple times? Okay. They've been to the bathroom. But look. They tucked back in. They look like they just walked in after mom got them ready. Maybe mom didn't get ready because they're second graders now. You don't need that help anymore. But they still look put together. They went in, they did their thing, they came out, and they still came out nice and tight. So if you didn't take the time to tuck back in, make sure you do that. You want to stay looking the role model that you should be, okay? Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you, Miss Carnes. I forgot about our friends. All right. So boys and girls, you have done absolutely wonderful. So I want you to put your eyeballs on your teacher and watch for her motion to stand and to walk back down the hall on that rainbow line very quietly.